but very classic logo on the cheek. Okay, wear it like this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video because I want to do a May reset for the upcoming month. As you know, May is coming as soon as possible and I really want to do a little bit change for my life. So let's get started. I have already made 6 things that I want to follow for the upcoming month. And before, every time I usually made more than 10 things that I thought I had to follow, but it just turned out not that good in the end, and which also made me feel a little bit sad. So this time I only made 6 things that I hope I can achieve and follow these things during the upcoming months. So without further ado, the first thing I'm gonna follow is go to bed before 10:30. I hope that I can fall asleep at 10:30. So for me, it usually takes me around 5 minutes to fall asleep. I hope I can go to bed around 10:20. So I think I can fall asleep around 10:30. So the next thing will be I will be drinking 2 bottles of the water every day, because most of the time when I was working, it's very easy for me to forget drinking water the whole day. And the third thing will be working out 3 times a week. Recently, I joined in a membership from the gym just next to my workplace. So actually it's very easy and convenient for me to do the workout after work. So I hope I can take advantage of this benefit and do more exercise, because summer is approaching very soon and I want to wear more beautiful dresses and clothes. And the fourth thing will be that since the weather become more and more warm, I want to head out more and enjoy the sunshine. Because for me, I usually have a canker in my mouth, and sometimes because I'm stressed, and I also think because I seldom head out to enjoy the sunshine to get more vitamins. So I hope I can head out more if I have a day off. So even maybe I can use 10 minutes of my break to just head out to relax in the sun. And the fifth thing will be cleaning my room once a week, because recently I realized that it can help me relax when I was cleaning my room. So the last but not least, I hope during the May I can make 1 video every week. I know it's not a lot, but because most of the time I'm very busy, I don't have enough time to make a lot of video and sit down doing the editing. But I think I will have more time soon to do that things, just a matter of time. So that's all for my May reset. Alright, I want to do a quick haul today. ALO shopping and Lululemon online shopping. So we can start with ALO clothes first. The first thing I bought is this ALO hat. It's so cute, I really like it. Very elegant, it's very simple but very classic, and just it can pair with most of my clothes in summer. It's just a very versatile hat, as you can tell. So next product that I bought is this jacket, this black jacket. I really like this jacket when I saw it in store, and it's very simple as well, And the most important thing that I like ALO is because it's also very fashionable, but at the same time it's simple. So the logo on the left arm. And last but not least, I bought ALO sneakers. It's so beautiful and very comfortable. It feels like my feet is step on the cloud. I bought the gray one, this color. It's just my favorite one. It's very chic and comfortable. If you never tried the ALO sneakers, you have to try it in store because it's just the must-have. After that, I also ordered some Lululemon clothes online. This is a tennis skirt with a pink color. It looks good. This pink color is called lightweight high-rise tennis skirt. I'll try it on very soon. Just so cute, look at it. Pair with a tennis skirt, I also buy a pink bra top. This pink bra top. I really like this one because it's called the bend, this scoop, and cross bra, which means that you can wear it in this way or you can wear it like this way.